February 7, 2008, Port Wentworth, Georgia, a massive blast rips through the Imperial Sugar refinery. The explosion is so powerful, it registers as an earthquake miles away. Rescuers rush to the scene, expecting a gas leak or a chemical bomb. But investigators found something much more shocking. The fuel for this deadly explosion wasn't dynamite. It wasn't natural gas. It was sugar. Yes, the same sugar you put in your coffee this morning. I'm the work safety guru, and today, we are analyzing how a sweet ingredient turned into a lethal weapon. To understand this tragedy, we need to look at the root cause. For years, the factory had a problem. Sugar dust was everywhere. It covered the floors, the beams, and the machinery. Workers described it as walking in snow. That night, a simple steel belt on a conveyor overheated. This spark created a small, primary explosion. Now, here's the terrifying part. That first pop wasn't the one that destroyed the plant. It did something worse. It shook the building. This shaking caused tons of accumulated sugar dust on the rafters to fall into the air. Suddenly, the entire factory was filled with a thick, flammable cloud. Then, the secondary explosion happened. This massive fireball traveled through the facility like a jet engine, destroying everything in its path. But wait, sugar doesn't burn when you hold a match to it. So why did it explode? It's all about surface area. When sugar is in a pile, it's hard to ignite. But when it's a fine dust suspended in the air, every single particle is surrounded by oxygen. In safety engineering, we call this the Dust Explosion Pentagon. You need 5 things: fuel, oxygen, heat, plus dispersion, the dust cloud, and confinement, the closed building. When these 5 met at Imperial Sugar, physics took over, and the results were catastrophic. So, was this an accident? Or was it negligence? The investigation revealed that this disaster was 100% preventable. The root cause wasn't just the spark. It was poor housekeeping. If the company had simply cleaned the dust from the ceilings and floors, the secondary explosion would never have happened. In the safety world, we say, a clean factory is a safe factory. It's not just about looks, it's about survival. Whether you work in a factory or have flour in your kitchen, remember, dust is dangerous. Respect the invisible risks. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Work Safety Guru. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.